In this video, we are going to see topic of compound interest in the aptitude series. So here we are solving with tricks, not by the formula. Circles trick we are going to use to solve the questions. So the question is like principal is 7500. Here we need to mention using the circles like we need a requirement of the circles for 2 years. It is of 2 years. For 3 years again it is going to increase 3 circles like this. So as of now it is of in this video 2 years only. In the next video we are going to see 3 years etc of years. Need to mention principal. Principal is 7500. Now rate interest is 4% per annum. So rate interest is 4% and here also 4%. Time 2 years. So this circle is for 1 year and this is a circle for circles for second year. Find the compound interest of 2 years. So this is of interest from the interest. So here you need to mention like this. So 4% from the 7500 is like the 7500 is of 100%. Then 4% in this like here we need to multiply with 4. Then we are going to get 4%. Like 754 is 300. Here in the circle we need to fill with 300 and here also 300. Now again we need to calculate 4% from this 300. Like if the 300 is of 100%, then 4% is like again we need to multiply with 4, which is of 4 equals to 12. 4% is equals to 12 rupees. Now if we sum this all these things 300, 300 and this 12, then we are going to get 612. So this is of for first year of interest and this is of second year of interest. Second year of interest is like 312. We need to sum these two things, then we are going to get CI. These two things, this 300 and 300 is of simple interest. So if we add this 12 to this SIs, then we are going to get the compound interest, which is known as CI. Now let us see second question in this video, like principal. Again, so we need to check the compound interest is for how many years. So it is of 2 years only. So we need to draw firstly of that previous trick. Like so principal is 19,200. Here we need to mention principal and the rate is 12 1 by 2, which is of equals to 12 to the 2 into 12, which is of 24. 24 plus 1, which is of 25 by 2. So 25 by 2 is a percentage. Here also we need to mention here 25 by 2 percentage, 2400. So here also 2400. So to calculate this we can use like this also, like 2 into 100, which is of equals to 1 by 8. If we multiply with fraction, then if we multiply this amount with this fraction also, we are going to get the amount from the actual amount. So 2400 by 8, which is of equals to 300. So if we sum all these things, like 2400 plus 2700, which is of equals to 5100 rupees as CI. So which is in the option A. Now the third question is like principal is equals to 8000, rate is 5% per annum, time is 1 year 6 months. 1 year 6 months. Find the CI. So we need to find CI. So let us draw the same trick. So this 5% to get the fraction value. So initially the principal is 8000. To get fraction value of 5% from this, we need to multiply a denominator by 100, which is of equals to 1 by 20. Here we need to multiply with 1 by 20. So it is not of for 1 year. Next it is only for next 6 months. So it is of only 5%, means half of it is 22.5%. So half of it is 2.5%. To get fraction for 2.5%, here we need to multiply by 100, which is of equals to 1 by 40. So here also it is of it is of 1 by 40. So when we multiply 1 by 20 to 8000, we are going to get 400. Here also when we multiply 1 by 40 to this 8000, we are going to get 200. So when we multiply 400 with 1 by 40, we are going to get 10. So for 1 year it is of 400, and next 6 months it is 210. The combination of this is 610, which is of CI for 1.1 year 6 months. So this is a 610, which is in the option B. Like the difference between CI and SI for 2 years is 50 rupees. So let us mention the given data. So these two things is nothing but SI. This extra thing when we add to this, we are going to get CI. So CI minus SI, which is of this, let I, which is of equals to 50 rupees. So this is the trick. Now rate of interest is 12 by 12 1 by 2 percentage per annum. 12 1 by 2 percent is nothing but 25 by 2 percentage. So 25 by 2 percentage it is. Again find the principal, we need to find this thing. So to get the fraction from this principal, here we need to multiply 25 by 2 into 100, which is of equals to 1 by 8. To get interest on interest, we need to multiply 1 by 8 to this amount, which is we got 50. Multiply 8 to this 50, then we are going to get this value, like 50 into 8, which is of equals to 400. Here it is also equals to 400. Now if we multiply again with 8 to this number, then we are going to get principal amount, like 4 into 8, which is of 32. Remaining is 2 zeros, which is of equals to 3200 is the principal, which is in the option